Namaste and welcome to my channel Priyanka's Tea Talk. I hope you're doing well and thank you for clicking on this video. First of all, I want to give introduction of myself. My name is Priyanka Sharma. I am a full-time yoga and meditation coach. So this channel is all about healing, becoming best version of yourself, transforming your life holistically. And when I say holistically, it does not mean that you just have to focus all the time on your career, your finances. There are many more things that you need to add on to make it a holistic success. So if you're someone who is struggling in life, who wants to create a better life for themselves and don't know where to start, you are on the right place, my friend. Keep watching this video till the end. So today's topic is journaling. Journaling is first step when it comes to healing, because if you don't know what is going on inside you, you cannot heal it. So you need to recognize the problem, you need to recognize yourself. People who don't know what journaling means to write down your thoughts, your emotions, whatever going on in your head, and to keep record of it. So there are many types of journaling that you can do. Personal experience, I have gone through many dark phases of my life just by writing down my thoughts and just releasing them out of my system. So I will share different types of journaling that you can do on daily basis and how it is going to help you in improvement of your life. First is that it helps with your mental health, which is the most crucial thing in our life, because if our mind is not in the right place, we will not be able to do the right things, right? So obviously it helps with your mental health, it helps to keep track of your goals, it helps to clear your head, and to actually, if you're not able to make the right decisions, right choices, it will help you to distinguish between the right and the wrong, and also to see your progress. Journaling also helps to enhance the creative forces inside you, because you're letting go of things that do not serve you anymore. The first question that comes to our mind is, why should I start journaling? Okay, because I know my thoughts, I know what is going on in my head. You know it, but you are carrying it all the time with yourself. The thoughts that are not important, the thoughts that are important, are also carrying thoughts and emotions which are creating disturbances in your body. What journaling does is basically helps you to release your negative emotions, things that are not good for your head. When you release those negative emotions, negative thoughts from your system, you create a space which is healthy, which is flourishing, which will guide you, which will connect you with the real self. Now let me explain different types of journaling that you do and how it works. The first type of journaling is the dump journaling. What is dump journaling? Dump means to discard, basically. So it is a free flow writing. You just take a pen and a paper and just write down whatever is going on in your head without thinking twice. Okay, so you're just writing and not stopping anywhere, not judging yourself, not judging your words. If you want to just use really bad words, you can do that. Don't judge yourself, just keep on writing, however the story is running in your head. So it can be some pent up emotions, some conversations that still haunts you, there are things from the past that do not serve you anymore. Just keep on writing. Take a pen and a paper and just start writing whatever comes to your mind, positive, negative, whatever story that comes to your mind, just keep on writing. Okay, just let your hand flow with your thoughts, and you will realize after finishing that entry of your journal that your mind is really relaxed. There is sense of calmness, lightness, and your body will also start to feel relaxed. You can do dump journaling twice a day. Either you choose morning or evening. Personally, I do it in the evenings before going to bed, because there are a lot of things that happens in a day that you don't want to carry forward. The second type of journaling is gratitude journaling or thank you journaling. So thank you journaling means you are writing down 5 things that you are grateful for every day, and that can be anything, starting from your clothes, the bed you sleep on, the food that you ate, call from your friend, or some stranger helping you on the road, anything, something good happened in your office, any little thing. You can just write 5 things every day and be grateful, be thankful for that. And when we talk about it, it seems very stupid and it's like, what is this? how is it going to help me? But the thing is, really writing these good thoughts, positive things that has happened in your life, in your day-to-day life, you create that energy in your mind, in your body. You create that frequency to attract more good things in your life. You're not going to fake it. You're not going to write just fake things that hasn't happened in your life. You're going to write actual little things that has happened in your day-to-day life. By creating a gratitude journal, you will create that happy, joyful space for yourself. The third kind of journal is goal setting journal. So the goal setting journal is basically to write down 5 things that you want to achieve in a year. It does not have to be 5 things. I'm just giving an example of 5 things that you want to achieve this year, let's say. Write down these 5 things. For working towards it, you need to create a system that is going to help you to achieve those goals. So let's say you want to learn a language this year. So what are you going to do? You don't know the language, you need to start from the basics. So you need to hire a teacher, you need to join an online course, and this goal journal will keep track of it. So basically you create a yearly goals and then create a systems to achieve those goals, like how much duration do you need to achieve. Let's say if I want to learn a language and it takes 3 months to learn a beginner level, then I need to hire a coach for 3 months, or maybe I need to take an online course for 3 months. So you need to block that time on daily basis, or 1 hour, 2 hour every day to learn that language. And by the end of these 3 months, you will see you have learned a new language. So that is how the goal setting journal work for you, because you know clearly in your head what do you want to achieve. By the end of the year, you will get to know whether you have achieved those goals or not. So it is very easy and efficient way of achieving and doing things that you really want to do. It is a therapy which does not cost much. You just need to buy 3 different diaries and a pen, and that's all. Nothing more than that. Start today. Do not wait for a new year to start your new life. Take today as first day to change your life. Depending on your life situation, you can just choose one, or if you want to really go into it, you can start all of them together, because it is a really interdependent kind of journaling according to my own experience. So if you go for that, it is really going to help you, trust me. Take care, and I will see you next week in my next video. Thank you so much.